Hey there everyone, my name is Bob Frady. I am Chief Marketing Officer for the Maripost Marketing Cloud. One of the questions that we get quite a bit is, how hard is it to build a marketing automation inside of the Maripost system? And the answer is, I'm going to show you. My goal, and my team has challenged me to do this, is to build a 3-stage welcome message automation where we send 3 emails to people, we exclude current customers, and then at the end of that process, we add people to our daily list. So it's a fairly basic automation, but one that a lot of people want to set up and develop. My goal is to do this in 4 minutes. So if you have a stopwatch, go ahead, take it out right now, and we'll see whether we can get it done. Now, I've cheated a little bit because I have already developed the content that I want to send. I already have a segment called customers, and I also have a little cheat sheet over here that's got some header information that I want to put inside of my emails. Okay, those are all my caveats. You ready? Let's go. So if you want to develop an automation, go into the system, click on automation. Then you want to add a new workflow. So you add a new workflow. I'm going to call this Bob's Work. Now, I could set this to live right away, but I don't want to start. So I'll turn that off, and then I'll save the workflow. Okay, the first thing I have to decide is where the names are going to come from. So I'm going to use new subscriptions. There's a whole variety of ways that you can have people come in. I know I want to say current customers aren't going to get this, so I'm going to ask, well, are you a current customer? I know that there's 3 emails, so I'll click 3 times, and I'll drag the emails down into the workflow tool. I know that I want to have 3 delays in here, so I'll delay it 3 times. Then I know at the end I want to change their subscription, so I click on Change Subscription, bring that in, and then I know I'm going to want to end it. I want to end it once for current customers and once for people going through the workflow. So I'll put that up here, and I'll put that down here. Okay, we're ready. So a new subscription, I double click on New Subscription, and I look at the list. In this case, we'll use Contact Us, which is a brand new list that we've set up, and we save that list. And then we attach it to our yes/no question. So we're looking for current customers. So we've got a segment set up that says customers. We save that. So if you're a current customer, you're done. No automation for you. If you're not a current customer, then you get the welcome automation. So our first message is going to be a welcome message. So we'll call that welcome. And then we'll get our subject line from over here. We'll pop that in for both the subject line and the pre-header. We'll get our friendly from name from here. And then we'll get the email addresses that we're going to use to send this. Save it. That part's done. Okay, now we know that 2 days later, and we can use months, days, hours, or minutes. We're going to use 2 days in this case. We're going to send this email. We're going to wait 2 days, and then we're going to send this email. And the second email is going to be about a white paper. So we'll call this white paper. And the words that we put in here are actually what comes out in your reporting, so it doesn't have to be as long as some of the other subject lines or pre-headers that you put in there. So our friendly from name will be from Maripost. And then our email addresses. Save it. There's message number 2. So after message number 2, we're going to wait 2 days, and then we're going to send message number 3. And message number 3 is going to be about great features. So we'll call it features. And then we'll have a subject line here that we want to copy. Here's the subject line, the pre-header, our friendly from name, and then the email addresses that we want to use to send from. Don't worry, if you make any mistakes and put the wrong thing in, the system will alert you. Okay, that part's done. Now we're going to wait 2 more days, after which we're going to add people into our daily list. So we will change their subscription from the Contact Us to the daily master list. We save that, and then we end the automation. hit the magic save button, and we're done. We are done with our 3-stage welcome automation. Now you can move things around to make them look neater if you like. Believe me, I totally understand. But you're done at this point. I think we made our 5-minute mark. I think we did it in just under 4 minutes. So we'll save that and we'll exit. And the only thing that we have to do now is turn it on. So if we click on the from disabled button, we click on it and now it's enabled. And you're up and running. It's as simple as that. Less than 5 minutes it takes to get marketing automation up and running inside of the Maropost system. Hope you have a great time. Hope you found this useful, and happy automation.